When the towers are connected, the fog shall fade. Our ancestors came from the land and built cities atop these towers. The closer I am to the sky, the more I am reminded of my roots. Ha ha! Ha ha ha! Today, we no longer communicate through languages. The tower above the clouds is where my journey starts. I'm above the clouds! Will our souls find their home above these clouds? We are the witnesses of the dawn and the stars. We belong in the sky. You seem ruthless against even your own kind. The flowers from this seed grow separately, but they share the same root. One that stands alone is the most vulnerable. I am certain that we will cross the ocean of clouds and meet one day. We fight against our unspoken fear every single day. The souls of those who lived and died in the tower can only wander in the sky. One day we will descend from the tower and see things that we have never seen before. Don't worry, I will fix you. We have been wary of each other, but this barrier should be shattered. Every tower is rooted in loneliness. Tell me, where is my home? All the shadows shall be cleared now. Try running away, I dare you. May we be friends next time. Through the mist, the sun, soar, ready to connect. Farewell to my past. I return to the sky.